milk mustache with a lot of white. Oh, that must be you. A lot of white under his nose. Yes, hello. And then your brother got named. These are not my names. I like wacky names though. Mini fridge. Mini fridge. Mini fridge. You don't know your name yet, do you? And you'll probably be renamed. Okay, you leave that kitten alone. That kitten is not part of your group. Not part of your group home. Nope. Here. Come see me. I know. What are you doing? I had to you are separated from your sister, who is named Squid. And I thought one of the gals here said that I could let you guys all out together, but you guys were like way too up in her business, and I don't think you all are fixed yet. So I'll bring her back out separately. Okay? Oh, here you are. Here you are. So these were brought in as strays. They're all really friendly. They're all quite friendly. Very friendly and outgoing. You might have lived at a park where people fed you and pet you and stuff like that, huh? Yes. You aren't too feral. Well, you're not feral at all. At least not in the crazy, not wanting to be pet feral aspect. Come here. Oh, I do have some treats in my pocket. Would you like to try a treat from my pocket? Uh-oh. Watch out for that hand there. Watch out, you're gonna get smacked. Let's leave that kitten alone, okay? It's a cute little black kitten in there. Not Miss Ophelia. I'll have to look up on the website and see if you have a name. They don't have one on your... Oh, wait. Oh, I think you're Jet. I've seen you on the website, but I have not met you. Jet's a good name. Jet Black. Uh-oh, somebody else wants a snack. You want a snack too? Come here. I got one of these funny things. You don't want that? Hi. What are you guys doing? Let's see. We got a toy. We got a toy. I do has a toy. Shall we try this? Shall we try that? I miss Snow, but I know Snow will have probably a faster chance at adoption, where he went to Valley Humane Society. He's now named Nutcracker. And that's all I'll say about that. You guys, when you are ready to be put up for adoption, you will have no problems in getting adopted. Everybody likes the orange cats. Look, your ringtails. Very raccoonish. And spots, oh my gosh, you guys like hit the jackpot in the markings department. Yes, you did. Yes, you did. Let's see your faces. Let's see your faces. Where'd it go? Where'd it go? You guys are so sweet. Hopefully very soon you will be available for adoption. You might even be ready now. We'll have to see. And then I'll get your videos posted to the shelter's site very quickly so people can see what a delight you both are. That'd be awesome if they would take 2 of you. Keep you guys together. I know. kitty wants to come out and play too. Mr. Jet.